Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to clear your Instagram search history. I will just go into the Instagram here. I will go in this search bar. Now here I will just try to find someone and I will show you instantly. For example, let's say I will just search here Kylie, right? And I will search here Kylie Jenner. Now how I can just erase it. You can see that here. On the top right you will see this option see all. So whatever searches you have done, so click on see all here. Now click on clear. If you want to clear all the searches at once, right? You can just clear all and that's it. Your searches has been deleted forever, right? So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. By the way, if you can also erase it from on the top description, I mean top three lines, and once you go here you can just go to your activity, right? Once you go to the activity and here if you just go to the recently deleted, it will show the post and everything. So here it shows that all your recent searches, once you go into here it will show here all the recent searches and you can delete it from here too. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.